So today I'm going to be doing a DIY to clean your beauty blender. Mine is really dirty. So yeah, so things you'll need is your beauty blender, a dish soap, a glass of warm water, and this is the dish soap I'm using, and also a faucet. So first you're going to take your beauty blender and you're going to, first you have to pour some of this in there. Not too much. I think I have to stir it up. I don't really have anything to stir it up with. Okay. So I'm going to get my beauty blender and just dip it in there. So I'm just going to dip this and just keep squeezing it. I think it's really good. Got mine. So I'm going to dip it again. I am at my grandma's right now, so that's why it's a different location. So as much as I clear out by wringing it out, now I'm going to just like scrub it on there. So yeah. It's not really working out too good, especially when I only have one hand. Stick it on. Right here, I just rubbed it on there. Now I'm going to rinse it out. And then I'll show you after. I'm trying to get as much out as possible, and it's not too bad. But you just want to let it sit and dry completely before you be using it again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and click the little bell if you haven't already. Thank you.